Alright, I'm gonna run you through what I did to mark up this trade right here. Euro JPY. I love this one on binaries. I don't know, it just seems to respect the things that I'm looking for. So basically, I come to the daily, fix this up, get rid of these. Whoops, we missed it. Okay, profit. This one's about to close right here. I'll show you in a second. I started today with $61. I put in these two trades right here. 10% risk. 10% risk. And we'll see what we're at right now. I mean, I'm up like another 10 bucks. Oh, I'm sorry. 8 bucks. $8 and something. So anyways, Euro JPY. I'm on the daily. I don't have to mark it, but I will for you. Looks like we're coming to the top here of some resistance on the daily, and then we'll go down to the hour, and this is the move that I just caught right there. Well, no, sorry, just kidding, psych. This is the move down that I just caught right there. Price is approaching. Okay, I got that nice, hammer. I'm sorry. Whatever the fuck, hanging man. Sorry. We got that nice hanging man right there. We know that this is support. I'm sorry. We know that this is resistance from the daily. That nice hanging man. So we're in a downtrend. So really, all I was looking for was price to come back up to this point right here to go ahead and get into the trade. Made me a little nervous because of this doji right here, but we still pulled it out. $8 profit, and I mean, I put those two 10-minute trades on, so about 10 minutes. All right, see ya.